everybody. I'm gonna show you how to make Betty Crocker homemade chocolate chip cookies in 20 minutes. So, homemade chocolate chip cookies in 20 minutes.
Now I'm gonna mix the cookies into the bowl.
Okay, now we're gonna bake for 350. And now the oven is preheating. So we can put the cookies into the oven. So the oven is almost preheated. As you can see. So it's getting closer and it's almost time to put the cookies in. It is now at 350 and now it's time to put the cookies in. I set a timer for 14 minutes so I know how long for the cookies to cook. So now the timer is going. And now you can see the cookies in the oven preparing to cook. Yum yum. So the cookies just came out of the oven. These are what they look like. So they just came right out of the oven and they're golden brown. And they're still warm. And now we're gonna let them cool. So now you have homemade cookies in 20 minutes. And I hope you enjoy.